Summer is almost here, and you know what that means. It's going to get hot. Your air conditioning system will be working hard to keep your home comfortable, and that drives up your monthly electric bill. The increased electrical use lasts on average for 4 to 5 months a year, and that means you'll spend hundreds of extra dollars to stay cool this summer. In fact, it's not uncommon for electric bills to double during the summer months. Here are some effective steps that you can take to increase your comfort and lower your cost. The first thing you can do is the least costly, simple, lowers your electric bill, gives you cooler, cleaner air, and extends the life of your air conditioning unit. A system tune-up does all that. Some companies charge big money for their tune-up service, and unfortunately, you don't always get what you pay for. A Protech precision tune-up, professional cleaning, and safety inspection is only $49. So the question is, why do I need a tune-up? Well, good question. It's not unlike changing the oil in your car. Sure, you can get by without changing it for a while, but saving a few dollars on oil changes won't come close to making up for the much larger expense that you'll have when your engine fails. Your heating and air conditioning system is no different. A little maintenance goes a long way. All equipment eventually wears out and must be replaced. However, we often help customers extend the life of their older systems, sometimes by years, by applying new thinking and technologies. We help you get the most from older equipment. At Protech, our focus is to help you get the most from your equipment you have now. And when it's time to replace old equipment, we match your needs with the best option. Ask questions. An educated customer is a smart buyer, and we like that. Technology is changing the way we heat and cool our homes. Protech applies these technologies that help you increase efficiency, gain system control, and save you money. Protech Comfort Zones is a state-of-the-art system that lets you independently control the temperature in each room or zone of your home. No more fighting over the thermostat. At Protech, we believe we need to earn your business, and that drives us every day. Whether you need a tune-up, repairs, or a new system, our number one goal is to help you get the most out of your heating and cooling system. Give us a call. At Protech, we can do it all.